Omanyala already, not the result we wanted. What could have gone wrong today?
Let's just say the body refused to fire, so there's nothing we can do about it.
Yeah.
Yep.
How's the body during the warm-up session?
No, feeling good. Let's say I'm not a good person to run in the rain.
Yeah.
Yep.
How do you feel about it?
It just happened, so we have to process that. Yep.
What are you going to learn from today?
Not sure yet. Just need to go back and let it sink in. Yeah.
Someone said that the next 100 meters is like the second round of the African Championship. That means you'll have a lot of African representation.
Yeah.
So do you still feel a bit consoled that we have some Africans left?
Yeah, I'm happy with the growth of sprint in Africa, and it's a good thing. It's building the next generation, and we started it, and I'm happy that it's coming up.
Do you think an African will win tonight?
Definitely. Yeah.
So I work for a radio station and I want to play your song. What's your favorite song?
I have so many favorite songs.
Okay,
So
what is on your playlist on repeat?
couple of songs.
One.
Couple of songs. I can't pinpoint one, to be honest. No
worries.
All right.
So looking forward a little bit, obviously, let's maybe skip past today, but looking forward for the next 2 years, what's your plan to get on top for LA?
Definitely, this season was a season of restoration. Commonwealth was one of the goals that we were chasing, but we've missed it. So, like I said, it just happened, so need to go back and soak in.
What do you mean by season of restoration?
Did not have a good season last year, so this year was just coming back to it. Yeah.
Keeping us back home, I want to go.
Thanks. Today didn't go well. Like I said, I'm not a good person to run under rain, so that really affected me. Yeah.